10 easy side hustles to start in 2025. 2025 is here, and you have the chance to take control of your financial future like never before. Imagine this: saving $10,000 in just 12 months without needing to sacrifice your lifestyle or work a grueling 9 to 5. Sounds impossible? Well, buckle up. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make it happen with these 10 side hustles. And trust me, some of these will have you questioning why you didn't start sooner. Point 1. The opportunity. Let me ask you this. What would an extra $10,000 mean to your life this year? Maybe it's paying off student loans, building up an emergency fund, or even taking that dream vacation. But here's the truth. If you're not saving and investing wisely, you're leaving money on the table. And let's be honest, nobody wants to be stuck on the sidelines of life. But what if there was a way to start building that wealth right now? And not in 5 years, not 10 years, but today. That's exactly what we're diving into today. 10 side hustles you can start right away in 2025 to save $10,000 in 1 year. Point 2. The hustle. All right, let's dive into the first hustle. Grab your pens because you'll want to take notes on this one. 1. Freelance writing or editing. If you have a way with words, whether it's writing blog posts, product descriptions, or editing content, there's serious money to be made. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or even LinkedIn can connect you with clients who pay top dollar for quality writing. Make your words work for you. Here's the kicker. A skilled freelance writer can charge anywhere from $50 to $200 per article. You do the math, just a handful of clients every month, and you're already close to that $10,000 goal. And don't worry, you don't need to be an English major. You just need the right tools and commitment. 2. E-commerce number 2. E-commerce, particularly drop shipping or print-on-demand stores. Think about it. You can sell products without ever touching inventory. Sites like Shopify or Etsy make it simple. You only buy the product after someone orders it. If you've ever wanted to build an online store, 2025 is your year. Minimal investment, maximum potential. Here's where it gets real. Once you've set up a system and found a niche, it's passive income, baby. Imagine waking up to sales overnight. With just a few sales a day, you could easily make $10,000 in a year or more. But what's the catch? There's a secret to making this work. What is that secret? I'll tell you soon, but first, 3. Virtual assistant number 3. Becoming a virtual assistant. The world is going digital, and small business owners need help. If you're organized and efficient, you could be the lifeline they're not looking for. From managing emails to scheduling appointments, the work is endless, and the pay is great. Help others and get paid well. Top virtual assistants charge anywhere from $25 to $50 an hour. Let's break that down. Work just 5 hours a week at $30 per hour, and that's $7,800 by the end of the year. That's nearly 80% of your $10,000 goal. And guess what? This job is perfect for night owls or anyone with a flexible schedule. But maybe you're wondering, is there a way to earn more without increasing your hours? Stick around, I'll reveal the trick. Okay, by now you've seen just a few hustles that could change your financial life in 2025. But what if I told you these side hustles aren't the only ways to make money? There's more. And I'll show you how to leverage these gigs into something bigger. 4. Affiliate marketing. Next up, affiliate marketing. It's all about recommending products and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Think about the influencers you follow. They're making bank by promoting products they believe in. And you can do the same. Earn money by sharing what you love. With affiliate marketing, you can make money in your sleep. But here's the thing. It's not just about throwing links everywhere. You need to build trust in an audience, whether through a blog, YouTube, or social media. Once you have that, commissions start rolling in. And you can build this into a 6-figure income over time. Still wondering how to build that audience? Wait for my next tip. It's a game changer. 5. Social media management. Now, here's the golden ticket. Social media management. Small businesses are dying to get their social media game on point. If you're good at growing an Instagram following or running Facebook ads, you can start charging clients anywhere from $500 to $2,000 per month. Social media isn't just for fun, it's for profit. Imagine managing 5 clients at $1,000 a month. That's $60,000 a year. That's far beyond your $10,000 goal. And once you gain expertise, you can scale this side hustle into a full-fledged agency. As you can see, saving $10,000 this year isn't a fantasy, it's a choice. And these side hustles, they're your path to financial freedom. The question is, are you ready to take action today? Or will you wait until next year? The decision is yours, but don't wait too long. Time's ticking, and 2025 could be the year you start building the life you've always wanted. Start today. Live wealthy tomorrow. If you want more tips and strategies to level up your financial game, hit that subscribe button. Let's make this year your year. Don't miss out, there's more to come.